The pandemic has been rough on many businesses and organizations, but some rural hospital systems were hit so hard that they had to close their doors. But thanks to coronavirus relief funds, one local hospital is expanding its reach to serve even more people. WSAV News 3's Claire Going is on your side with how in tonight's top story.
Effingham Health System is a nonprofit, community-owned healthcare system that serves more than 60,000 people in the county. Hospital staff say after a tough year, they decided it was time to restructure their healthcare system in order to assist more people who may not have had access to adequate healthcare during the pandemic.
Unfortunately, COVID slowed us down. To also meet the needs of the community, there was a need to rebrand.
They're one of the lucky few able to keep their doors open. Last year set a record for rural hospital closures in the U.S. According to the National Rural Health Association, before the COVID-19 pandemic, hundreds of rural hospitals were struggling to stay afloat. Since the pandemic hit, more than 20 hospitals had to close their doors, and since 2010, 137 emergency rooms have shut down.
And many times people see rural hospitals as a back door or a hospital that's not as progressive. Our hospital is very unique. We saw it as an opportunity to re-engage ourselves in the community, to see that as a trust that whatever experience you've had in the past, that is the past, and we're moving into the future, and we're doing it the right way.
Some smaller health systems were offered relief under the $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan President Joe Biden signed in March. Witt says although the past year has been difficult, they're hoping the transformation and federal aid will help them connect to more rural households.
Not only will it improve access and increase access to the people in the community, but the services and programs that we have implemented and executed are meeting the direct needs of the community.
Reporting in Springfield, Claire Going, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Dr. Witt also received a major healthcare honor tonight that named her one of the top 50 medical providers in the nation, the same recognition as Dr. Fauci.